chart graphics. Today I want to teach you people something different, a very different thing altogether. Today I want to teach you people how to export, how to export and how to export. In Coreldraw they call that JPEGing, like how to convert your design into picture, which is the exporting. So stay tuned as we get into the tutorial. First of all, you open your Coreldraw. This is Corel 2022. As it's opening, let's just wait for it. Okay. Now, first of all, what you do is to click here. Now, let's click one of the design. Okay. Now, it's opening. Let's just wait for it. It's opening. Let's just wait for it. Okay. Now it has opened. This was my previous design. The design I did yesterday. This was the design I did yesterday. Now, how do we export this? That's the question. How do we export this? Now, to export, you go to, there is one way to export. Now, if you check here, just follow my arrow, my mouse pointer rather. So this is it. If you check, if you do Control E, Control on the keyboard is spelled CTRL. It's spelled CTRL. That's Control on the keyboard. After pressing it, you hold it, then you press your E. That's the shortcut to export. But if you don't want to do it that way, you just see a sign of an arrow, a sign of an arrow, like symbol arrow on this place that my mouse pointer is. Now what you will do first is to highlight this. You highlight it. This is how to highlight. You highlight. Now in my previous video, I was one of my first video I was teaching, though I did not explain it. I was just doing it practically. There, if you watch the video, I was talking about how to use your pick tools, which is the first tools on the Coreldraw, the first tools on the Coreldraw. Now, when you want to use it, you just click it and highlight like this. Now, if you check each of the design part, you will see the edge is called the node. This place that you are seeing my mouse cursor is called the node. Here is the node. Here is the edge. Here is the node. Here is the edge. Here is the node. Here is the edge. The node. The edge. The down part here is the edge. The midpoint. This is the midpoint. So is the edge. Here is the midpoint. Here is the midpoint. Inside here too is the midpoint. So this is the center point. The midpoint, the edge, the midpoint, and the center. Now this is what you do to export. You highlight it like this. Then you come down to this side. Here is export. While here is import. I will tell you. I will teach how to import in this same tutorial. Now you click here like this. Now there is a face that's a dialog that pops up. There's a dialog. Don't panic. This is the dialog. Now when you are launching your Coreldraw newly, what you will see is Coreldraw. You will not see JPEG. You will not see JPEG. It's Coreldraw you will see. you will not see JPEG. So this is what you do. Don't choose this one you are seeing 2000 JPEG bitmap. I mean, choose the one showing JPG JPEG bitmap. You click on it. There is it. You click on it like this. Then you select where you want your file location to be. Then firstly you rename the file. Rename the file. Now let's just say I've renamed the file. Now you select the location where you want the file to be. Now I want the file to be on desktop, so I will click on the desktop, then export. Click on export. Now let's just wait for it. Another dialog will now open. You wait for it. Now this is a very important part when it comes to exporting. Now exporting, this place you are seeing RGB. If you want to post a flyer online, you put it on RGB for online. But if you don't want to post it, you want to print it, that's when you put the CMYK. Later on my tutorial, I will teach you how to what is CMYK and what is RGB. That is my fourth tutorial. I will teach you what is CMYK and what is RGB. If you observe, when I put it on CMYK, the design color change. Then if I put it on RGB, the design color will still change. Are you seeing? So that's it. Now after doing that, you scroll down, because I want to post this flyer online now. I put it on RGB. After doing that, this is what you do. You go down. Now this is where the matter is. Here now is the resolution. Resolution means the quality of that flyer. If you want the quality to be sharp, want it to look more standard, more quality, like you don't want it to look anyhow. This when you put it, like my own, I normally put my flyer on 700 so that everything will look sharp. I will normally put it on 700. You can put it on 800. You can also put it on 300, on 900 rather. But me I normally put it on 700. Okay, this is 700. Then after you put it on 700, you click OK. Now you have exported that file. Let's see it. This is it. It's opening. You will see how it looks like. It's opening. Now, boom. See it? Yes. That's how to export in Coreldraw. Now, back to Coreldraw again. Maybe you want to design something. You want to start your design. Now, this is what you do. You first of all import your resources, right? How I'm talking about my title of my tutorial today, or let me say my lesson is import and export. Firstly, I have to export and how to import. Now this is how to import. I've talked about how to export. Now you come down here, click, then you will take you to a file explorer where your resources is being saved. Now you have to locate the place you skip all your resources. Okay, let's say this is my design resources. Now if I want to export all at once, let's say I want to export 1, 2, I want to import 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 resources. Now this is what you do. You hold your control again. I say the control on the keyboard is CTRL. That's the sign. That's the symbol of control. Now this is what you do. You hold your control, you click it. You click one, you click the next one. The more you click, you will see it's highlighting each of the resources you are clicking. So you click after clicking this one, holding your control rather. After clicking this one, you click the next one. Are you seeing it's highlighting one by one? You click the next one, 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 you click the next one. Now you have you are done highlighting them, then this is what you do. You come down here and click on the import. The import now this is it. You drag it and drop, 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 you drag it and drop. Now you are done exporting all those, importing those files, those resources. You are done importing them. That's how to export and that's how to import in Coreldraw. Thank you. Please follow my graphic page. Follow my graphic page, Richard Graphics, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks.